Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to use Medium in 2025 to drive massive traffic to your blog or website. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. So if you're just starting out, Medium isn't just a blogging platform any longer. It's a search and social engine for writers, businesses and brands that let people put their work out there. So let's get into it. Your first step would be to simply log on to medium.com. As you can see, that's the browser or that's the tab I'm currently on. And now your next step would be to go ahead and click on get started. So you could either click on start reading or click on get started. So go ahead and click on get started and you're asked to sign up for Medium. So you could sign up with Facebook, email, or Google. I'm just going to be going with the Google option to sign in. So let's go with this option. And just go ahead and select the Google account you'd like to use to sign in and click on continue. All right, and once you're in, it's quite simple. All you need to do is just firstly set up your profile photo, a short bio, and the website link. So the website link would mostly be to your main blog. So your profile acts as a mini portfolio. So you make sure it looks clean and professional. So getting back to this, welcome to Medium. We need a little more information to finish creating your account. So this is your name. Click on create account. And on the next page, you're asked, what are you interested in? It could be programming, data science, tech, self-improvement, machine learning. We could just go with, things that are actually important to you. You could go with anything like that and just simply click on continue. And you're then introduced to their payment plans, which we're going to be ignoring for today. And boom, welcome to Medium. So like I said earlier, just head over to your profile, try to curate your profile in a way that is engaging to people who are reading your stuff. Like on the profile menu, if you click on profile here, you can now adjust what you are about. You could style your about to suit your narrative or whatever you're trying to do using your blog. So like I said, just simply convert your profile into a mini portfolio, convert your profile into a mini portfolio, and you wouldn't have any issues um, getting views or traction on your main blog. All right, so your first step or the next step towards making sure you drive massive traffic to your blog is on the home section, try to create some content. So when you're on the home, just go ahead and click on write, where we have write here at the top of your screen. Where we have write a story, click on this write option here. And all you need to do now is either write a new article or import some post from your existing blog. You can click on your profile icon, click on stories and import a story. So basically just pasting your profile URL. So this is what it looks like. You could just simply use a copy and paste format for it, or you could just write in the story yourself. All right. So, besides importing a story that's, pasting your blog post and doing all of that, Medium automatically imports most of the post and adds a canonical tag. So Google knows your original blog is the source, no duplicate search engine optimization issues. And then another thing you could try is optimizing your article for visibility. So before publishing, let's make sure your post actually gets seen. So make sure to add a strong headline that's in your title, like 10 mistakes killing your blog traffic. So you could just make that like a title. You could have the title look like this: 10 mistakes before 30, and then you can now begin writing the entire story yourself. And once you're done, if you're not ready to publish, you could just, have it as a draft. But I believe the draft is automatically saved itself, so you have no worries when it comes to that. Now you can submit for publication, or you can submit for publication here. You can share the draft link, you can share it to Twitter. You could also manage unlisted settings and change your featured image, change the display title or subtitle, change the topic, see revision history, more settings, and hints. Now, like I said, after adding a strong headline, make sure to use subheadings, bullet points, and images to keep your readers engaged. So after writing this, you could just click on this plus here to either add an image or an image from Unsplash. You can also add a video or a code Okay, that's an embedded, or a new code block, or let's see, what's this, or a new part. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing any options to add bullet points. Maybe you can copy up the bullet points from Microsoft Word and then, just copy paste here. But yeah, make sure you also add a call to action button at the bottom of your blog post, and you can, something like, or something that would say, read more tips on my blog, and then you can have your blog link there. This would now drive people directly from Medium to your website. Another thing you could do is also join and submit to publications. So after you enter your narration, also public let me read this thing properly. All right, as I showed you earlier, you could actually make use of the submit for or submit to publication so they can help you publish. Another thing you can do is also to engage and build your traffic. What does this mean? After you promote your post on Medium, you can also promote your post on other social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook groups, Instagram. If you actually have a good Instagram, you could get it up there. And then you can also work with other content creators. All right, and once you're done writing, you can now head into stats to kind of like check the statistics on your work. You can see how far and track the progress of your performance. You'll see which posts perform the best, so you can double down on those posts on both Medium and your main blog. And then you can also use these insights to fine tune your SEO strategy and attract even more organic traffic. So as you can see here, my presentations are nil. Same with the views, reads, followers, and subscribers, and also your lifetime representations are showcased as well. All right, guys, and that's how you can simply use Medium to drive traffic to your blog. Just simply write something and attach your link, and also try to promote your work using other social media platforms, and also just curate your profile so it basically has the link when they're reading your post. Just click on edit profile here and simply add your links and things to your bio. So in your short bio, just simply add your link here. That's the link to your main blog, and you're done. All right, guys. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.